Hello! We are going food trip tonight. So we're gonna explore the streets of Manila. So we're up for an adventure and see you later. Okay, so we're on the streets of Manila and specifically in Arquiza Street, Ermita. So here's the preview of what we're going to eat. Yeah. Here's our menu. Chicken barbecue, roasted chicken barbecue, or grilled chicken barbecue. And here's what we call pares with noodles served with rice. I can already taste the goodness. So here's the sample of their servings. Okay, their specialty is what they call Royal Rumble. So there's the majestic bone sizzling inside the soup. But this is the epic soup. It's fatty, it's savory, and it's just super. The street, and let's find out what they can serve as tonight. Here's the grilled chicken. Here's their menu. There's a lot of choices. It ranges from 75 pesos to 210 pesos, or $1.50 to $4 in USD. So here's the meat of the pares and the hot boiling soup. So they do this to keep the meat fresh and hot. I can really smell the aroma. So you know this kind of jar, this is where they put the soup, so you can always refill it on your bowl. Very nice. And here's how they arrange it. They'll give you bones, they'll give you meat, some intestines, and some bone marrow. So that one is the Royal Rumble, their special menu. And here's how they serve the soup, very hot. And here's some intestines. Really tastes good. So busy, they cannot accommodate our questions, but yeah, they are so good. And you know, here's the street. So yeah, here's Josh. Very busy, but I think this is crazy. Okay, now we're going to walk back to the car because there's no dine-in in there, and we're gonna try to eat at the back of the truck. And here's the chicken, grilled chicken. Grilled chicken barbecue. The sauce is so tasty and it's smoky. And yeah, we will eat this street style. And here's for my big boy Josh. And here's my wife. The soup. This is the soup that what I'm talking about on the last video. So here, you just sip it. Hot and so good. Now let's eat the meat. Okay, let's try their Royal Rumble, their best seller. This cost 210 pesos or $4. So everything's in here, the beef, the innards, and it's very good to pair with rice with toasted garlic. And yeah, you can see the goodness in here. So good. So good. It's like upgraded street style pares. And there's a lot going on, like texture. There's innards, there's beef, there's bololo. Bololo is bone marrow of the beef. So good.
It tastes so yummy. I finished my order. As you can see, no more. Yum yum.
Okay, let's try this thing with the soup. And oftentimes people also put noodles in it, like a beef noodle soup. So the goodness of that fatty and savory soup will be incorporated with our pares and rice. So this is so good. One last bottoms up. Okay. Classic Filipino street food. So we're done here. Going to the next destination, España, Manila. Here we go. So we are here at Dapitan Street, Quezon City. I thought it's Manila, but it's Quezon City. And we'll try the best burger here, Dapitan Best Charcoal Grilled Burger. Oh yeah, so you can see the smoke, so it will give the burger or the patty a very smoky taste. So that's the biggest patty here. There you go, Top Outs Burger Patty. So here's their menu. Their price ranges from 65 pesos to 380 pesos or $1 to $8. There's a quarter pounder, and this is the biggest burger. It is like the size of a plate. And here's how they toast their bread, add some smoky goodness on it, and look how fresh their patties are, freshly pressed and onto the grill. But sadly we cannot film them arranging or constructing the bread because of the health protocols. But yeah, here's some rolls. Smoky and tasty. So that's a quarter pounder. And here's the biggest patty of them all, the Top Out Burger. That surely will top out. It's a size of a plate. Imagine having two patties in a plate-sized burger. I smell smoke here, but it's good. So here's our order, and let's give it a try. try. Don't order by Grab, especially if you're near España. Definitely a must try. So good for just 65 pesos. So good. I should have ordered half pounder.